but those temperatures dropping.
Yeah, not too bad today. Widely varying this morning. Temperatures will drop big time ahead. There's a live look right now at the Big Eye of Albuquerque. Mostly calm weather and pretty good visibility out there. Air temperatures around the Albuquerque metro starting off not too bad on this Monday morning. At the Sunport right now, 44 degrees. We were actually a little bit colder yesterday evening compared to right now because of southwesterly winds in lieu of our next cold front. Very light winds for now. 37% relative humidity right now at the Sunport. Very fast moving clouds indicative of strong upper level winds pushing some mid to upper level moisture, maybe some very light rain along I-40, a little bit of light wet snow as well in the northeastern highlands, but elsewhere, despite the fast moving clouds, we are not seeing any rain nor any snow for most areas, and these clouds have been very fun to look at, by the way, for the past couple of days because of the moisture and the strong winds kind of riding up and over the mountains, creating the lenticular UFO-looking clouds. Now this morning, we are seeing, again, the varying temperatures. 12 in Alamosa, 58 right now in places like Carlsbad, even in the high single digits in parts of the northern mountains. Again, yeah, the upper 50s, low 60s around the Carlsbad area with winds gusting close to 45, 50 miles per hour, more than that just a bit from time to time. 42 Roswell, 39 Ruidoso, 40 right now in Las Vegas, 35 just above the freezer mark in Santa Fe, 44 in Albuquerque as I mentioned, 26 Grants, a bit colder in Socorro compared to Albuquerque at 36, 21 in Durango, and we are going to be seeing that colder air winning out eventually throughout the day today, especially in northern areas. From Albuquerque to the south, reaching the upper 50s, 60s, and lower 70s. Into the north, struggling to reach the 30s and 40s for most northern mountain locations, even the upper 20s in the high elevations. To compare, you guys are going to be on that periphery of that colder air and milder air mass right along I-40 into the south and west of the Gila National Forest. That colder air and drier air will win on out. Speaking of the wind gusts, as I mentioned, more than 40 miles per hour, closer to 50 miles per hour from time to time around Carlsbad this morning. Downsloping winds not only in the south central mountains, but even parts of the northern and central mountain chain as well. And even a wind gust around 26 miles per hour to our friends in Las Cruces. Northwesterly winds picking up throughout the day today, courtesy of a Pacific front. On the backside of our storm system, winds may gust close to 30 miles per hour in Albuquerque and Santa Fe. And these yellow colored shadings indicative of the stronger winds blowing snow in the northern mountain locations, lowering visibility, even some patchy blowing dust in south, central, and western areas, even eventually in the Pecos River Valley like we're already seeing this morning with the elevated fire threat, especially south of I-40. But in the northern tier, wintry weather in the Raton Pass. A winter weather advisory from later today through tomorrow morning. Generally 1 to 3 inches of snow and a few more inches of that, especially above 7,500 feet. I would not be surprised in parts of the northeastern highlands, the Sangre de Cristo Mountains as well, may get more than a half a foot, close to a foot in the very high peaks. Now, here in Albuquerque in the Rio Grande Valley, mostly sunny at 58 degrees this afternoon. Breezier, remaining dry out there. Not too bad of a day. Winds will start to pick up throughout the day, and eventually temperatures will drop with this colder air mass moving south and eastward. A very chilly rain, just like in parts of the eastern and northern highlands. And again, higher up in elevation near the Raton and Raton Pass. We're going to be seeing some snow, and along that snowier activity moving south and eastward along I-40, Albuquerque to the west remaining mostly clear of clouds through tonight into tomorrow morning. And we're going to be seeing things really start to taper off later tomorrow in terms of any precipitation. So this low pressure moving in really the northeastern highlands throughout the next several hours into tomorrow. Most of the moisture in northeastern areas. Drier weather, though, throughout most of New Mexico. So, again, the rain snow activity mostly confined in the mountainous terrain, especially north of I-40. Tomorrow, temperatures will be significantly lower for high temperatures, only reaching the 40s in Albuquerque, 30s, Santa Fe, 20s and 30s in northern mountain communities, high teens in the high peaks, and 40s and low 50s in southern areas along I-10. And look what happens come Wednesday morning. Potentially below freezing Alamosa, single digits in Taos, teens Santa Fe, 20s and teens in Albuquerque, and even likely below freezing as far south and west as places like Deming, Silver City, the TRC, and Durango and Farmington in the single digits in teens, high temperatures in the 30s and 40s. Alamosa and Wolf Creek, you guys likely getting some immeasurable snow. Not amounted to too much, but helping out with the ski resorts. From Chinle to Cuba and Grants, a bit of a breezy day today with that Pacific front moving on through, mostly dry with mostly clear skies. From Camaro to Las Cruces, highs ranging from the high 40s to near the low 70s. So widely varying temperatures from Cloudcroft to Clovis and Lovington, mostly on the mild side of this and dry side of this storm system, but things will start to cool off big time late tonight into Wednesday morning especially. And places like Springer, Raton, Capitoline, mostly in the 30s and 40s, you guys having a chance of a little bit of kind of chilly rain and wet snow activity in the northern mountains. Similar conditions, although drying out late today into later tomorrow and cooling off. Angel Fire, Red River tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning, single digits and maybe single digits below zero. Santa Fe, highs eventually only in the 30s tomorrow, as opposed to high 40s, low 50s today. From Moriarty, Ascensia, and Deer Park, not too bad today, a bit breezy, then cooling off in the next couple of days before our next warm up this weekend. And from the north to south valley of Albuquerque, temperatures above normal. By the way, mostly above normal temperatures today, except for the far northern areas. Cooling off tomorrow, and then gradually warming up ahead, remaining mostly dry. So kind of festive weather because, you know, it is winter, kind of like that, and we're getting closer to that season.
That's a pretty dramatic drop in temperatures.
Yeah, so yeah, it is that time of year.
All right, thanks, Ryan.